for all of us.
Members of the Green Tech Foundation today lifted the waste trapped at the Terminal Point Interceptor, which the organization installed at Umkhrah near Jayau Wicking Ground. The organization started the Umkhrah cleanup on March 4th. Chairman of the organization, H. Bansiudor Nonglang, said that they were able to lift 20 tons of waste on Saturday. They lifted 7 tons of waste on March 9. The members of the organization then segregate the waste in recyclable and non-recyclable wastes. He stressed that cleaning the Umkhrah is a trial only, as the actual project clean-up will take 6 to 7 years for the organization. Nonglang confidently said that the trial clean-up has so far been successful.
Tarik jong umaj ngi lift no hakatu ka khandai tarik jong umaj tang hadin ndru nyos ngi lift hak khandai tarik kumban nyotan unyut nang ni te hadin ka khandai tarik menta ngi sawan ban lift menta bat nganong yepi menta minimum unyut ubangi ngila lift sitang dan bangsa sakendiat unum duna yakar photon Dre kumka environment NGO ngim ju encourage ba pi cleaning drive people ko je gino ban should dispose ki disposal center ngile kumno ngi segregate je gini ki waste menta ki recyclable waste ki non recyclable waste ba di gini ki recyclable waste ki ba ki nyut ki ba ki bilor ge ki bala bandi ngi aye gini ki waste speaker.
And now the weather report. The maximum